Hey my little YouTubers, this is T-Love in the Mix. I hadn't done a video. It's been a long time since I've done one, but I had a request to do 2 videos. And so I'm going to go ahead and do those. The first one is for which iPhone I'm using and the cases that I have. And the second one is what I'm using on my Fire Stick, which I haven't been using the Fire Stick for a while. I have it in my extra bedroom because I have an NVIDIA Shield, and I'm actually going to go ahead and update this Fire Stick to put on it what I have on my NVIDIA Shield. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to show you a build to put on there that is an awesome build, and I'm going to do that real quick, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with it. The first thing we need to do is clear our Kodi of whatever build we have. So we're gonna go into our settings and we're gonna arrow down and go over to applications. And we're gonna go down to manage installed applications. And we're gonna look for Kodi. And we're going to clear the data, and then click on clear data again and clear the data. So it's clearing the data off, and you're going to see it change right over there on the side. See where it says data? See that? It went to 0. Data is 0. Cache is 0. Okay? So it cleared the data, and we're gonna hit the back button. I'm gonna make this video as quick as possible because it shouldn't be that long just to do this. And we're gonna hit the Kodi again, and what I'm gonna do is force stop, and then I'm gonna launch the application. And the version that I'm using is Kodi 17.6. If you don't have 17.6, I will leave a link in the description with a FireDL code in order to install 17.6. And what you would do is just delete the old Kodi that you have, go into FireDL, and if you don't have FireDL, you can watch one of my videos showing you how to install FireDL, and put in that code to download the Kodi 17.6. Okay, we're gonna go to settings. So whatever bill you had on there should be gone now. And we're going to go to system settings. Close so you can see it. And we're going to go over to add-ons. Arrow over. I turn on my notifications and unknown sources. And then we're going to click yes to turn it on. And then we're going to hit the back button. Go down to File Manager. Add a source, and right there where it says, let me get it to focus, where it says none, we're going to type in there, and what we're going to type is HTTP colon forward slash Misfit Mods .com / mmwiz / repo. And I'll also put this link in the description. Now I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. This is what you need to have there. HTTP colon / misfitmods.com / mmwiz /repo. That's what you need to have. Okay? That's what needs to go there. Okay? Let's move on. Next, we need to click OK. That is the only one that I use. I use all their bills. I go back and forth between the bills and update between their bills. I don't use anyone else. I use Misfit Mods for everything. Okay. Then what we're going to do is, it puts in repo, but I just put .mmwiz. You can name it whatever you want to name it. It's totally up to you. And then I'm going to go over and click OK. And go down and click OK again. We're going to hit the back button. Hit the back button again. Then we're going to go down to add-ons. Click on the box at the top. Go down to install from zip file. Whatever you named it, click on that. Mine is mmwiz. Go down to repositories.misfitmodswizard.zip. A little pop-up is going to come up, and there is the pop-up that came up right there. Then we're going to scroll up to install from repository, and we're going to look for Misfit Mods :repository. We're going to click on that, go down to program add-ons, and then we're going to click on Misfit Mods Wizard, and we're going to install. A pop-up is going to come up in your right corner, and we're going to dismiss this screen. Okay. This is where you can keep your track, real debris, login data, anything that you want to keep. I'm not going to keep anything, which I do have real debris, I have track, I have all of that, but I'll just put it in later. You can keep it if you want to go ahead and keep yours, okay? I'm going to hit continue. Then our bill menu comes up. They have several bills. All their bills are great. I have no problems with any of them. I have used all of them. But the one that I'm going to use on this Fire Stick is Karma. It's a small bill. It doesn't use up a lot of space, and I just love it. I love the layout of it. I love the look of it. It's just awesome. This is a fresh Kodi bill that I put on here so we can do a fresh install. I mean a standard install. You have fresh install and standard install. Now, if you already had a bill on here, you could do a fresh install and it will erase that bill, and you go through the steps and erase it. But since this is a new fresh Kodi, I'm just going to do a standard install. But if you already had a bill, you have to do fresh install and follow the steps, okay? Now we're going to install. Now, everyone's speed moves differently, okay? Yours might not move as fast as mine, and it might move faster than mine. And as you can see, this bill is real small. Now, this screen comes up, and it asks, would you like to force close Kodi or reload profile? We're going to force close, okay? And we're going to just open it back up. We're going to launch it, and it's going to load our bill. It's just beautiful. I love it. And there it is, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are a subscriber, thanks for being one. If not, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Peace out.